DXOMARK has been in existence for about 15 years. Our main focus is to measure the quality of consumer electronics products for audio, display, and camera quality. We combine again objective and perceptual analysis, and for objective measurements we need to have the most accurate equipment in the industry. I'm Nicolas Touchard. I'm the VP Marketing at DXOMARK. At DXOMARK we design testing solutions so that we are able to measure the quality of products under real conditions of use.
Hello, I'm Thibaut Cabana. I'm the product owner of the display business unit at DXOMARK. We will create use cases that relate specifically to what users experience each day in different lighting conditions, in different activities.
When we design our testing solutions, we need to identify the companies which provides the right instruments. Radiant is one of them.
We needed to have the most reliable and most powerful instrument. The display industry is still growing and moving fast. We need to keep it up, so we needed to have a camera with very high resolution, for example, that will be able to measure OLED displays and also mini LED displays, micro LED display in the future maybe. Radiant provide a very powerful camera in this regard.
We've been able to define with them a set of instruments, the colorimeter and the spectral radiometer, which actually very well complement our testing suite. So these instruments are critical to provide objective measurements required to perform accurate analysis of the quality of products. Both Radiant and Konica Minolta bring a lot of capabilities in terms of measuring instruments. I've known them for many years. I know they are very scientific, very serious about their equipment. They are very engaged. We interacted with the European team as well as the US team.
They were a precious help to defining our bench, especially in the integration of the camera function inside our coding. We had a lot of exchanges back and forth and questions about how the measurement would be impacted in different situations. We hope that we will always be able to rely on them for the upgrade of our benches.
I've been working in photo-metrology for many years. I used Konica Minolta instruments maybe 30 years ago, I should say, and I've been involved in relationship with these companies for many years, and this is really a companies I would trust.